guys, welcome to How to Speak Dog. My best friend here will help teach you. Hey guys, welcome to How to Speak Dog. Sniffles, fetch! Woo! Good boy, Sniffles. A bark means your dog's excited. Let's try it together, ready? If your dog pushes his bowl towards you, it means he is hungry and you should feed him. Here you go, Sniffles. If your dog scratches the door or barks, he wants to go outside. So let's open the door, Sniffles. The confused head tilt. Woohoo!